How to log into Stumble guys using your Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Stumble guys using your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Stumble guys. Head over to your settings, that is on the top right corner. And after you're there, scroll down. Now make sure that you're on the general option. After you're there, tap on the connect button on Scopely account. After you do that, you'll see the login option for Facebook. Tap on it. Tap on continue and it will take you to a browser. Now let it load, and after it loads for a while, it will just give you the option to log in. So wait for it. So there you go. Tap on continue as your Facebook name. And after you do that, you will have logged in into your Stumble guys using your Facebook. I'll just wait, and there you go. Now that is how you do it guys, and that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care. Also, don't forget to subscribe.